Hi, Mr. X with glossary term unit circle. A circle of radius 1 centered at the origin. We use this all the time to explain trigonometric principles. The unit circle. It is your friend when you study trig. The unit circle. Radius of 1 centered at the origin. Here we have a unit circle drawn easy enough in polar coordinates, admittedly. I drew it in polar coordinates and just said make r equal 1, and that's it. That's all there is to it. It's a circle of radius 1. It's imposed, though, on our familiar Cartesian xy system, and so what we're going to do is we're going to let this nice piece of Microsoft programming trace the points out for us. So watch this. That's it. Now, as it goes around, you will see that theta is displayed in a number that starts at 0 and goes up to about 6.2 before it quits. Watch theta. Pretty cool. And see, I know what these values are because I do this for a living. And if you're just new to the unit circle, it might look a little, oh, I don't know, baffling or busy, but it's extremely straightforward. So, let's start it again and stop it when it gets to about 90 degrees. Now our x value says 8.22 times 10 to the minus 4th. That's just a really small number, rounding error. It's basically x is 0 and y equals 1. Yes, this is the point 0.01. X is 0. It doesn't look like 0. It looks like 8.22 times 10 to the negative 4th. That's just a very small number. 0.000822. And this theta of 1.57, well, that's pi over 2. Turns out that these values are exactly the same, x and y values as you go around the circle, are exactly the same as sine and cosine. Now, when you understand that a sine wave and a cosine wave convey the same information as the unit circle, then you understand. And it's a wonderful day when that happens. And it will happen. You will see that. You will come to see that the unit circle is the same information as a sine wave or a cosine wave. Now for this trace, x is our angle. So the x in this case is the same as the theta we just had. And the y value in this case will be the same as the y value we just had. And that's our standard sine wave between 0 and 2 pi radians, which is the same as 0 and 360 degrees. Let's trace the cosine now. Now in this case, our x again is the angle, and now our y value is the cosine. This is the same information as the unit circle. Mr. X, Mentor of Mathematics at MrXmath.com.